Hi, my name is Jazz. Welcome to Sleekr Digital. We've reached the end of our pop-up maker journey, and I have to say, I'm seriously impressed with how much you've learned. From navigating the interface to crafting custom pop-ups that convert like crazy, you've got the skills to be a pop-up master. Remember that first pop-up you built? It was probably a little rough around the edges, but now you're creating sleek, targeted pop-ups that capture attention and drive results. You've learned how to design pop-ups that are on brand, trigger them at the perfect moment, and even track their performance. That's what I call a pop-up party. But don't get too comfy. The world of pop-ups is constantly evolving, so keep your eye on the latest trends and experiment with new features. And remember, if you ever need a little refresh or inspiration, you can always revisit these videos. Now go forth and create awesome pop-ups that will blow your audience away. Reach out to us if there is any tutorial you would like us to create for WordPress Pop-Up Maker or any plugin that you want us to cover. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips.